What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on that post notification. On our way to meet up with Kiani and a couple friends, and yes, we're still rocking the check engine light. It's just a position sensor I need to replace. Alright guys, we literally made it already. This car is literally everywhere. We got parking next to Kiani. It's looking out clean. Hey bro, what year is your Camaro?
2016.
2016?
1LE SSLT.
I got an RS.
4-cylinder V8.
So every time Kiani sees a Charger with these lights, he goes all crazy. Bro drives a whole ass Shelby. Fans over Chargers. Dude, that thing is quick. Oh, look at that car. Like a FRS, I think. Oh, that's the homie over there. So Kiani's talking about getting one of these Vets, but that's crazy. Honestly, I have not seen one of these Z's since they came out, but this is the first time seeing that in person. That's insane. Look at this. That thing is mint. Man, that's crazy. This is how I look at. That thing is crazy. Damn, we got a Z over here. There's a girl too. Damn, that's crazy, bro. I didn't think I was gonna see one of these in person. Not bad. That car literally looks like mine, just that mine's just all clean. I ended up changing the wheels to the Auton DSO5s. That one has black. But like I said, we have literally a Ferrari over there. I saw a GTR over there, but we're gonna see what's up with it. And this Z just looks so clean to me. It's like so perfect. The front bumper just needs to be painted, but Jesus, look at those wheels. Yeah, those things are clean. Is that a Supra? Damn, that's crazy. I was literally trying to trade my car in for one of these. I don't know, man. You see Stilo in one of these, or sticking with the Mustang? I think we're gonna stick with the Mustang. The Camaro. I think I've seen this Camaro in person with the pink. It's nice. Then we got another Mustang over here. Oh, it's like a bluish. Am I tripping?
It is blue.
It's blue, huh?
It's like a really deep blue.
Yeah, this thing is nice. Damn, what do you guys think? This thing looking mint.
16 by...
Jesus, bro, there's literally nothing in the back. This thing is clean. The thing is low as fuck too. It's crazy. My boy with the underglow. Okay, I see you. Is it a boy?
Wide body kit on the front.
I don't know, a lot of girls be having these cars, so yeah, he's bagged. Bro literally has a turbo on that thing. No gamma cut. The Mercedes boys. Jesus, that thing looks hella clean. Look at that. Not that one, this one. Then we have this wrap right here. This thing is so nice. Oh, it's a coupe. Alright. I think we gotta see 808 Pony race one of these.
Dude, I had one of those other guys try to run me the other night. The one that's twin turboed. We see this vet all the time.
Yeah, we see. Does it have like the Liberty Walk, or it's just lowered?
No, it just looks like that.
The thing is so low. It's on bags for sure. Was this the one that wasn't the one we or no?
We got our tickets.
Was it this one? I don't remember it having these lights in the front. Another snap pack. I'm always racing these.
There was a Scooby snack on the road earlier. I was down to give him the Gapplebees, but they kept going.
Believe it or not. Then we got the Jeep over here. That's crazy. GTO. Look at that Charger. Literally, all of them have those LED lights on them. Rainbowish. Pride month. Look at the back. What does it say? What does it say? Told you, man. They all have them. They all have them. Is that a Supra? Oh shit. Back it up real quick. Let's look at this car. Rate it guys, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. What do you guys rate it? Give it a solid, let me see. I'll give it a solid 7.5.
66.
Damn, we got a big ass tire in the back.
Be sure to
Carbon
stop
fiber,
by
okay, I see you.
66.
Oh yeah, this shit for sure fast. Look at this thing, guys. That is insane. This is nice. Like over there, but look, guys, I was literally telling you, they all have those lights. I mean, I'm not hating on them, but you know. All right, so that in the bottom, that's hard. That's hard too. All right, this one's doable. It's passable. This Miata right here. This thing is so clean. This thing is lowered. Oh damn. Okay, so I was about to say this is one of the cleanest Miatas I've seen, but all right, the spoiler needs some work. Has a rolling cage inside. Look at the wheels. I feel like having one of these, daily one of these, has gotta be so much fun. This thing is nice.
Yeah, the seats are really good.
Yeah.
Anything else in the car? I was like, oh, this was.
Mind if I look?
Yeah, no. Here, I was like.
Oh, the seats too, bro. Hey, man.
Yeah, I'll close it.
This thing is nice, my boy. It's not. It's nice, bro. Give yourself props. It's nice. Damn, these Corvettes look so nice to me. The silver and the top black just look so good. But honestly, Miata.
That white Miata?
My boy has curtains inside the Hellcat. Okay. Alright guys, remember, get home safe. We got the Accord missing the bumper. Oh, okay. This is an Accord, guys.
Why do that?
Whoa, I gotta look at that. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That Honda broke my neck. This thing looks clean. Keanu's geeking over this car, but I mean, damn, my boy, this car is nice. It's crazy. I don't know how people refinance these things. These things are expensive. I'm about to jump in front of his car so I could get some money, you know? Damn, we got the S2K. My boy's gonna get hit like always, but you know? Jesus, this thing is nice. Oh, wait, what? Alright, my boy literally has Chucky on the Jeep. And that says Swami aquí. Hellcat. I'm telling you, any car in that color just looks so good to me. It's so nice. We have a Mustang over there. Jesus, bro, look at the back tire on that thing. It's not even touching.
That would hurt my soul to have my tires that
What? Alright, this color is nice on this. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice for sure. Oh, we got a big tire in the back. Okay, I see you.
First Q50 I've ever seen on a tire.
And second, yep, third. Whew. Okay, my boy, I see you. I see you. That thing's looking hella clean. Oh man, I would want to drive this, no lie. Jesus Christ. Look at this thing. You seen the wheels on this?
Oh, I stepped in a puddle. No. Oh.
What do you guys think? For a Camry? Looks nice. We have another one over here, but this one stands out more. That Z.
It looks like fresh.
I've always wanted a Z. Z's that broke my neck. It's just really nice, I'm not gonna lie. She needs a front bumper, that's it. Look, man. I don't know whose Mustang is this. It's nice. Don't get me wrong, it's nice. Not a fan of the stripes, but this thing
Looks dusty.
It's actually, I like
it looks dusty.
It doesn't it kind of?
She said it looks dusty. That's the RTR lights. It does, huh? It does. It looks good. Just I don't like the stripes. That's it.
Wipe your finger on the grill.
He needs to take the stripes off of the front right there.
But other than that, it's nice. Just needs a car wash. Other than that, is good. I don't know if it's the same GTR that was over there, but we have another one that pulled up. Damn. I still stick to the Shelby though. I have an RT orange. I feel like orange only looks good in these cars, honestly. It just stands out. This guy literally copies everything I say, I swear. I said the orange on this car looks so good, and he said the orange on this car looks so good, man. Always copied me, bro.
Yeah. On Sunday.
Slow as fuck, boy. This thing is nice. Red and black. Oh my god, the wheel selection on this was just, it's perfect, literally. Slow as a Mach 1. Jesus, dude. See, I feel like I fucked up on getting silver. Should have gotten this color. Bro, the wheel selection. These are the wheels that I want. Alright. Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god, look how close. Look how close. I think it's touching. I think it's touching.
Is it touching?
I think it's touching.
That's crazy. I think it's a girl driving. That's crazy. I've seen these on videos. I've seen them on reels, but I didn't think I was gonna see one in person, especially at a meet.
Oh,
It has bronze
I think it is.
wheels. Honestly, I feel like any color on this car just looks so good. If it has a black top, why is it that every truck driver literally pulls up with some high-ass bass, high-ass music? See guys, the thing is that we could stick with the Mustang that we have right now, fix it up, but at the end of the day, I kind of want to get the new S550 headlights and the whole new bumper, you know, because I kind of have plans for it.
What is this thing?
What?
Is this Kia Optima? What is it? It's an Optima, bro.
This thing is nice. My boy's setting alarms on. I want a dog so bad. Chargers, County, we have Chargers, Volkswagens, Infinities, but you know, we actually came to see the, look at the Tesla, you know, we're here to see the Tesla.
Bro, you know,
Oh, bro,
what's wrong?
I know where this is from. You guys know I'm a big Lightning McQueen fan, and this guy has the Storm wrap all over his Hellcat. That's crazy. I have not seen this. Yep. Yep. We got the piston cup. Yep. I'm about to ask him where he left McQueen at.
Nice.
That thing is hella clean. All these cars, bro. Boy came with the Prius. Alright, it's nice. Look at this. Jesus. No way.
Chevy Traverse.
Oh my god. My boy got the American flag in the back.
Again, the red Camaro.
We see this car literally everywhere we go, no matter what. We go to Cali Creaming or whatever. It's literally everywhere. The first time I took my brother to a car meet, it's the first Camaro he's seen, and yep. Okay. We got the California Special right here. Most of the California Specials that I see nowadays are all 10 speeds, but this is 6 speed. Yep. Oh, it's not focusing. I think everybody's leaving already just because there's cops over there. I didn't even get to see that Charger with the Storm wrap. cop is literally just chilling there. There's a tow truck over there, and surprisingly, he hasn't pulled anyone over. Wheels look so shiny. My boy's making that car jump, bro. And we have a Supra. Oh my god. Is that a Supra? Is that a GTR?
It's a truck over here.
Alright, I know I'm gonna be biased, but I mean, come on, man. It has to be manual. I think we've seen this car at the last meet. Cali Creaming. He's making fun of me because my phone from the
It's
microphone.
literally the size of your camera.
It's literally the size of my camera. Look at your camera.
This thing would eat my camera. Oh my god. What's in it?
Nothing.
Nothing? It's just a hole?
Damn, I think it's so nice. Alright guys, we're gonna take off already. There's like 2 cops over there. There's one over there in the corner. So I guess I'm gonna just wrap it up here. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all those things. Till next time.